Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Galfo and Mrs. Wallach. Welcome to Online Kindness Club. We miss you, and we hope that you're all staying safe and healthy and happy. So, if you are in Group 1 for Kindness Club, these are the rules that you all came up with together. Let's read them together. Let's start at number 1. Ready? Be kind and nice. Number 2. Treat others nicely. 3. Talk using nice words. Number 4. Raise your hand to talk. And number 5 is our pledge that we say every Kindness Club. Ready? Put up your hand. Repeat with me. I promise to be kind every day. Good job. And if you're in Group 2 for Kindness Club, here are the rules that you came up with together. You can also read them with me. Number 1, be nice to everybody. Number 2, listen to the teachers. Number 3, raise your hand when you want to speak. Number 4, help each other. Number 5, work quietly. Number 6, one person speaks at a time. And let's do our Kindness Club pledge for group number 2. Ready? Raise that hand up and repeat with me. I promise to be kind every day. Excellent job, first grade. So, I'm sure that all of you are missing Hatchery Hill so much. I'm sure you miss your teachers, you miss your friends, you miss Mrs. Griffin and Miss Angie, you miss everyone that helps run Hatchery Hill School. We miss you all so much, and we know that you are doing so many great and wonderful things at home. But how can you spread kindness right now? Even though that you're home and you have to stay home, how can you spread kindness right now? Are you ready to find out? All right, let's go. One of the first ways that you can spread kindness is by making a rainbow and putting it in your window. Have any of you done that yet? It's very simple. Use whatever you have at home. Crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you have, use it. And be creative. So simply just make a rainbow. It can be any kind of rainbow. It can be big, small, it can have clouds, a sun. You can draw pictures and write nice words. It's whatever you want it to be. And then just simply place it in a window with an adult's help so that everyone that drives or walks by your house can see it. And it makes their day. It brightens their day. And it gives everyone hope that, hey, we're in this together, right? Awesome. Maybe if you make a rainbow and you put it in your window, take a picture of it and send it to your teacher on Class Dojo. I'm sure they would love to see it. Another way you can spread kindness in your neighborhood is by writing with chalk. If you have chalk at home, you can write all sorts of fun and inspiring and positive messages on your driveway or on your sidewalk. Let's take a look at what these kids did. This girl drew a rainbow, a big rainbow in her driveway, and they wrote this word. Do you know what this word says? It says hope. What a beautiful message. This one down here is very kind. It says, thank you, doctors, nurses, and first responders. This one up here says, we're all in this together, with a big giant heart. Can you read this message down here for me? Go ahead. Let's read it together. Ready? Stay kind, stay patient, and stay home. That's a very sweet message to write. And I don't know if you've tried this yet, but it's called stained glass sidewalk chalk art. So all you need is this blue painter's tape or some kind of tape, and you can make beautiful stained glass right on your sidewalk. It's very nice to see if people are walking by or driving by. Something else that you can do at home is mail cards. You can mail them to friends or family. You can even mail them to our Hackettstown Hospital for the nurses and the doctors. Or you can mail them to ShopRite and Weiss, all thank you cards. This was an idea right here. If you want to mail to your family that you can't see or friends that you can't see right now, you can say all sorts of different fun and inspiring messages, such as, I'm sending this card just because I love you, or just because I care, or just because you're amazing, or just because you're the best, or just because I'm proud of you. Or this one down here says, sending you flowers and kisses and so much love. It will really make someone's day if they open up that card and they see it's from you. So this was something that Group 1 of Kindness Club started, and Group 2 was going to finish. So what they did was I gathered up rocks in my backyard and they all painted them. Some of them actually painted them rainbow color too, and orange, and all different colors. And Group 2 was going to write beautiful messages on them. So if you want to do this at home, you definitely can. So just find a nice size rock in your backyard. Of course, find it with your families. They can help you. And clean it off in your sink. And then you just paint your rock with different color paint. It works best if you have acrylic paint because then it will not come off if it rains. Or maybe put it under something so that the rain won't get to it. Or just keep it inside because it's a nice message. So why don't you take a minute and look at all the different messages that these kids wrote on the rocks. Which rock is your favorite? I like that one too. I think my favorite rock is, I really like the rainbow rocks, but I really think the strawberry rock is cool too. They really did an awesome job, and so can you. And the biggest thing you can do right now, it's also the most important thing you can do right now. Are you ready for it? What's this big word written right in the middle of our screen? Smile! Don't forget to smile. A smile goes such a long way. So, everyone, I want you to sit up straight. And on the count of 3, you're going to smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese! Smile at your family. Smile at your friends when you're talking to them. If you're doing it online with your families. Smile at people that are 6 feet away from you. Just smile. All right, boys and girls. Thank you so much for tuning in to Kindness Club. We miss you. Take care.